Hi friends, it's me Kiran from Foodistan Travels. Today I am sharing a recipe of very special soya chap. I will share with you that how to make soya chap from scratch. But before moving further, please subscribe my channel Foodistan Travels. Also press the bell icon so you will notify when I will come again. Soya chap is made from soya bean flour and soya chunks, and the protein amount is closer to meat, and it is not wrong if I say it is tastier than meat chop. We need 1 cup of soya granules, 1 cup soya flour, 2 to 4 tablespoons of flour, maida, 1 teaspoon of salt and water to knead the dough. Add water and soak the soya granules for 5 to 10 minutes. Then in a large bowl, add soya flour, soya granules, 2 to 4 tablespoons of flour and salt and mix it well. Make sure not to add too much maida flour at once, otherwise the texture of soya chap is not as good as it should be. Do not add water at the beginning, just mix it well. The soaked soya granule will make the dough moist. Gradually add water and knead the firm dough. Cover it and keep it rest for at least 15 minutes. Now use the parchment paper, ice cream sticks, cutter and roll-in pin for the next step. Spread the parchment paper over the table or any working station. Divide the dough into two and make a firm ball and spread it on the parchment paper. Then cover the dough with the other parchment paper and press it well. Start rolling and roll until thin sheet is prepared. Remove the parchment paper and start cutting the rolled dough with the help of cutter or knife. With the help of ice cream stick, start rolling the strips into the ice cream stick one by one. Overlap the strips over the ice cream stick so that it will create a very nice texture. Once all the soya chap strips are done, move towards another step. Take a large wok or pot, add half tablespoon of salt and water and bring it to boil. Once the water starts boiling, add soya chap one by one. Cook them for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Once it will done, it starts floating upward. Then take a large pot with cold water and add all the soya chaps into the cold water and leave them for at least 15 minutes or until cool down. Once cooled down, then remove the soya chap from the stick. Do this process very gently. The appearance or texture is as similar as the seekh kebab or any kind of kebabs we eat from the natural meat. Soya chap is ready. You can cook gravy, barbecue, grill or pulao and biryani from the soya chap. Use them as a meat substitute as well. It's totally vegan and vegetarian. So enjoy the soya chap and make delicious and yummylicious dishes from these soya chap. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel Foodistan Travel. Also like and comment below your experiences, and if you need to know any other recipes, please write in the comment section. Also follow me on Instagram Foodistan Travel and my Facebook page Foodistan Travel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.